Hi, my name's Brian from Seeit. I'm just going to take you through the process of how we do screen printing.
The setup stage is the most time consuming and most costly, especially for samples or small print runs. For example, if you were to print a 5-colour design on some garments and you wanted a smaller logo on the front and a larger logo on the back, we would have to create a printing plate called a screen for each colour for each size, so essentially 10 screens. The screens for the print are pre-coated with a substance called emulsion. This printer will print your design on top of the emulsion using a black ink. This is done on the underside of the screen. The screen is then placed under a special UV light. Because the emulsion is photosensitive, the area that is not coated with the black print will become hardened from being exposed to the light, while the area that is covered in the black ink remains soft to enable us to wash the area out. The area that has washed off now becomes the stencil for the ink to go onto the shirt. This process is then repeated for each screen used on your print run. Stage 2 involves setting up the screens on a printing carousel. Each screen has to be set up perfectly on the carousel to ensure the print colours align with one another. With the carousel all set up, we're now ready to print the garments. This process is repeated until the desired image is achieved. In this video, you can see two people working on this station. One person is loading the garments onto the carousel and the other is taking the completed garment off and placing them onto a dryer belt for curing. This leads on to the third and final stage of the printing process. As the garments come off the carousel with the print on them, we need to pass the garments through a dryer to cure the ink. This essentially bakes the ink onto the garment to ensure a long life of the print, allowing the print to withstand usual wear and tear and regular washing. The person at the other end of the dryer collects the garments as they come through. The print is quality checked and then prepared for packaging to go out to the customer.